What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every day. Today's video is brought to you by our sponsor, Xado, the marketplace and community app built for car, bike, and truck people. Post photos and videos, buy, sell, bid, and link up at real car meets near you. Download Xado or hit xado.com in the link in our description.
That's fine.
Stop. Pull over.
That's fine. I'm going to pull over right now.
Hey, I've got your plate. If you
No,
you're going to get charged.
I said that's fine. I'm going to pull over right now. What's going on, sir? Sorry, hold on.
No, you're good.
You're good. I can hear you now.
Alright. Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Anything like that?
No, sir.
Alright. You guys know why we stopped you, right?
I mean, the only thing I think is that we're riding in the group, but we might be going a little fast. That's the only thing I can think of.
How you doing?
Sir? Pop up. Do you have your license?
I'm sorry?
Do you have your license?
Yeah.
Dark sport bikes. You have to sit back on your bike, please. How's your day going, sir?
That's my license plate.
What's that?
The one when I bought the bike came on it.
What's that?
It came with the bike. That's the old one. This is the new one. I don't know how to take this off because it came with the bike, and I don't know how to take off this license plate without taking off this actual light bar. You know what I mean?
It's an Allen wrench, right?
Well, yeah, but then if you take off this, then it's all the wiring's in the back. I'm not very mechanically inclined, so I'm not sure, how to put that on as opposed to that. So.
Make me go stupid places. Police officer, thank you. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm getting pulled over. What? Okay.
Good way to get yourself killed.
What was that?
You're not in a turn lane there.
That wasn't a turn lane?
It's not a turn.
I thought there were two turns.
No, it's a straight.
I didn't know
And
that.
that's exactly why I just said you almost got yourself.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
That's what we're trying to stop it. We understand it. I didn't realize such a problem it's been until now. And now we're watching it like crazy, and we've almost had like 3 accidents.
We interrupt your previous program to show my respects to this officer. I've talked to 4 different officers in my life, and this is the only one who actually seemed to respect me as a citizen. The other ones were just kind of sign the red box, here's your court details, and that's that. He actually seemed to care about people, what a police officer should do, and not, busting people for simple mistakes. So anyway, I just wanted to pay my respects to that officer. You rock. And you're probably sitting over there like, Inja, shut up, bro, I want to hear what happens. Well, at this point, I turned the camera off just to show.
I don't know what happened. That cop was sneaky with it, bro. That cop was right there. I was like, oh shit, this motherfucker gonna get me. Yeah?
I don't have my license.
Oh, that's true, huh? Do you know where the meet's at?
Yeah.
Should we just leave him and I follow you?
In about 5 minutes, because their KTM's up at 9.
Gotcha. What time is it?
8:50.
Damn. Are we at least close to it?
I think so. No, what the fuck?
What happened?
We're 9 minutes away.
Put directions?
Just straight.
Oh, I just straight up? Alright, I'm gonna go take it. I mean, yeah. I don't know what to do about him, but you think he'll meet us over there?
I don't know.
Cause it's also not good for you to be here with no license. Oh, fuck. Check that out. Oh no. This is not good. We should have kept going.
Any weapons or anything on you guys?
Nope.
No weapons? Mind if I patch you out real quick?
Yeah, go for
Patch
it.
up weapons, let me do first. Put your hands behind your back like you're clapping. Put your palms together. How old are you?
22.
22, nice. Where you guys headed tonight?
Just to go get some tacos.
Get some tacos?
Yeah.
The reason we're talking for legal park stop stand, okay?
What was that?
The reason why we're talking is for legal park stop stand. You can't just park your bike in the middle of the road.
Oh no, it's because since he got pulled over, we just pulled over with
No,
him.
I get it, but you still can't just park your bike in the middle of the road. You know what I mean? Is this your
Gotcha.
bike up here?
Yeah, this is my bike.
Come up here with me. Okay. I get they're getting pulled over, right? But it's a legal park stop stand still.
Yeah.
All right, and then you run through the construction site as well.
Oh, gotcha.
All right, so you can't just. I get your buddy's getting pulled over, but it doesn't mean you can just plop your bike in the middle of East Mount Sahara. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I
Okay.
gotcha.
So that's why I'm talking to you. All
Okay.
right? Do you have a license, registration, insurance?
Yes, I do.
No weapons on you, right?
Nope.
Okay.
I think it's this one.
Thanks, sir. Do you have a Class M?
Yes.
You do? Okay. What kind of bike you ride?
FZ07.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
Is this bike right here?
Yeah. Appreciate it. Yeah.
Damn. What happened?
I think they're gonna tell me.
They're gonna tell you? Not even a warning or anything?
No.
What the fuck? You got the insurance and everything at least?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop, and if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.